Hi, I'm attorney Mario Correa, wills and trust attorney, and one of the things we help families do is protect their assets by using corporations and LLCs for their real estate. And it was funny because I was sitting across from one of my clients, a very successful businessman, and he's just a kind of a frank guy. And he sits across the table from me and says, "Mario, you attorneys are all gangsters." And I was like, What do you mean?" He's like, "With these corporations," he's just like, "I'm not buying into it." He goes, "These corporations don't work. It's just a way for lawyers to make money." And so I thought about it for a minute. How would I, illustrate this to him? And I asked him, "Have you ever had an accident at one of your firms or one of your companies?" It's like, "Yeah, actually, they had a delivery guy get into a serious accident, and there were some serious issues involving the accident." And I go, "Okay, was there a lawsuit?" He's like, "Yes." And I go, "Okay, who was named on that lawsuit?" He goes, "It was my company." Okay, and I go, "Were you personally named on the lawsuit?" He said, "No." I go, "The corporation worked, because if you'd have lost that lawsuit, or if your insurance wouldn't have been enough, or if your insurance writers had a problem with it, then that lawsuit would have been limited to that company, and all your other companies and all your other assets in real estate would have been protected." I go, "So that's why you went through into a corporation." He sat there, he looked at me for a second, and you can see the wheels turning in his head. He said, "All right, next." So we moved on to the next matter. So what you try to do is when you're meeting with clients is you try to make things very clear for them so that they understand it through their life experiences. There's a reason we use legal entities such as LLCs, is to isolate liability to that one individual incident or corporation. If you have further questions, I'm Mario Correa. Give me a call at 773-489-8500.